Enhancing your English. Mastering the art of listen attentively. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of advanced vocabulary, specifically focusing on common verb plus adverb collocations with manner adverbs. We're going to explore an important phrase, listen attentively. So, let's get started. Listen attentively is a common verb plus adverb collocation, where listen is the verb and attentively is the adverb. Listen means to pay attention to sound, while attentively describes the manner in which this action is being done, in this case, with careful attention. When you listen attentively, you are not just hearing the words or the sound, but you are also trying to understand, interpret, and engage with what is being said. It's about active engagement rather than passive hearing. Understanding is one thing, but application is another. Here, we will explore how to use listen attentively in a sentence. 1. She would listen attentively to her grandmother's stories, absorbing every detail. 2. At the meeting, everyone was encouraged to listen attentively and take notes. 3. If you listen attentively, you can hear the subtle nuances in the music. Notice how this collocation adds more depth and specificity to the action of listening. Listen attentively is a versatile collocation and can be used in various scenarios. It can be used to describe the behavior in professional settings, like meetings or lectures, where focus and understanding are critical. It can also be applied in personal contexts, such as conversations or storytelling, where the listener is deeply engaged. It can even describe interaction with art or nature, where you are absorbing and contemplating sound. For example, if you listen attentively, you can hear the distinct sounds of different bird species. That wraps up our exploration of the collocation, listen attentively. Remember, collocations like these help to make your English sound more fluent and natural. They are not just about understanding the words, but also about knowing how they're used together in everyday speech. So, keep practicing and try to listen attentively for other collocations in your English journey. Until next time, happy learning!